there's two ways we could do this, right? We could graph the shift and then use the slope, or we could put this in slope-intercept form and just graph it like a normal equation in slope-intercept form. I'm not going to call one way the easy way, one way the hard way, because, for different people, it might be different. If I want to graph using the shift, I'm going to start at the origin. X minus 3 tells me I'm going to be moving which direction?
To right.
I'm going to translate right 3. What does the 1/3 tell me?
You go up 1.
I'm going to vertically compress this of 1/3. So I take my origin, I translate to the right 3 spaces, boom, there's my new origin. And then what do I do, Aisha?
Go up 1 to the right 3.
That's right. Where did I get up 1, right 3 from? From the A value. The A value is kind of like our M value. So if I just slide this over 3 spaces to the right, rise 1, run 3, does this new line look flatter or more compressed than my original line?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Right? We made it 1/3 the steepness of my original line. Okay? The other way I could have done this is distribute 1/3. I get y equals 1/3 x minus 1. I make my y-intercept at -1 right there, and then rise up 1, right 3, up 1, right 3. Same exact thing. We get the same exact line. Depends on which way you like to do it. Okay? Now, if I'm looking at something like number 7 is really ugly and confusing. I'm going to put this in slope-intercept, make my life easier. I distribute the -2. I get y equals -2x plus 6 minus 4. What's 6 minus 4? 2. So I make my beginning point at 2 on the y-axis. If I have a negative slope, what direction am I going to rise? I'm going to rise down 2 and right 1. Down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, all the way down. Right? Now if I was going to list out what all these transformations are here, there's 4 of them. Who can tell me what those 4 transformations are? Did you guys write that down? Yeah, Isaac?
Reflection across the x-axis.
Perfect.
Vertical stretch of 2.
Perfect.
Translate right 3.
Yep.
Translate down 4.
Perfect. Great job. That's exactly what we did. If I take my origin, bring it 3 to the right and 4 down, boom, there's my new origin. And then I rise 2 spaces down, 1 space to the right, boom, there's my line. Same thing either way, right? If I look at 10, I've got a vertical stretch of 3. I'm translating 1 to the left and 2 up, right? So my new slope is going to be 3. I'm stretching it by 3. I'm going to go 1 left, 2 up, make a dot, and then rise 3, run 1. Rise 3, run 1. Does your guys' line look like this on number 10? Yeah, crossing the y-axis at 5. Yes? Okay. Those all look good on the front, 6, 7, and 10?
Yep.
Perfect. On to number 13. I'm going to use my parent function y equals -4x minus 4. If I translate it 3 units up, what is g of x going to look like? -4x what? You guys not do it?
It was 15. Minus 1.
Minus 1. Right? If my original y-intercept is -4 and I bring it 3 spaces up, now my y-intercept is -1. Right? What if I translate this 2 units down? What's going to happen to my y-intercept then? It's going to turn to a -6. So my y-intercept is -4. I drop it down 2 spaces. Now my y-intercept's at -6. Right? Each different question, I'm going back to the parent function, back to the parent function. I'm not building off the previous equation. I'm going back to the original. Oh, sorry. There you go. If I divide my slope in half, I'm going to get, g of x is equal to what? Well, what's my slope right now? -4. What if I divide that in half? What is -4 divided by 2? -2x. Right? That would be a compression of 1/2 from my original line. And then if I double the slope, what's my new slope going to be there? -8x minus 4. I'm not translating, so I'm not messing up my y-intercept. I'm keeping those the same. I'm just adjusting my slope. Is that what you got? Nice.
80,
14. Which one? A, B, C, or D?
B and C.
A and C. Okay.
B and C.
B and C. Okay, if I translate this 5 units down, my 5 goes away. It's just g of x equals x. Is that what you guys got? Okay. And if I reflect over the x-axis, my x turns negative. We could write this two ways. We could write -x plus 5, or we could write negative the quantity of x plus 5. Oops, can't even see it. Right, so I can put my x in parentheses or not. Doesn't matter either way. Okay,
What if I just wrote it as like y equals? Or does
It's
it have
fine.
to be g?
it's fine. I don't care. I messed up and put y. I should have put f of x. On the test, you'll write g of x. Okay? All good? Perfect.